Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So people tend to overcomplicate ranking, and when it comes to content, I think that it comes down to two things and two things only. You repeating what is already working, so looking at the SERPs at the top ranking positions, and then that's number one, and then you introducing something new information, new data, a new research, whatever. And a combination of the two should be enough to rank you, provided you have the domain authority, provided you have a healthy backlinking profile, and so on and so forth. So today we're going to be looking at Katap that has had some unique updates and features. And we will be writing an article based on two sources. The first source is the URL, so basically a web page, and the second source is YouTube. And we'll be doing that through Katap because you can do it now. And then we'll be trying to replicate the same within ChatGPT. And then we'll compare the outputs of the two. So now if you go to long form article and press this robot data source icon, you can choose different sources. And let's just say we want to write a Surfer AI review. And incidentally, my video is number one result. So let's just open it up. And let's pick the first URL, which is a web page. So we'll be essentially dealing with these two. So, okay. The YouTube source is my video. Confirmed. And we can actually add a web page as well, which is beautiful. So this one here, default internet. So I would assume this is internet or URL. Let's choose URL. So URL and YouTube. Add article information. So our title is going to be Surfer AI Writer Review. Language is English, target audience United States, number of words, let's go crazy and go for 2000 words. Okay, anything else we can do at this stage? Save to next step. So now I'm assuming Katap is parsing the data for the outline, and yes it is. Okay, so introduction, the challenge of choosing the best AI writer, overview of Surfer AI writer, purpose of this review, definition, who can benefit from Surfer AI, getting started, SEO. Okay, so we have 20 headings that we can use in total. So let's just accept everything. And since I want to compare these to ChatGPT, I won't be messing around with the headings. I'll just accept everything as is. And as you can see, there are two icons now, which is the link and the YouTube. Tone of voice, let's go for friendly. Point of view, first person. Type, news report, how-to guide. Let's make it a how-to guide. Suggest images. Well, this is interesting. I'm not sure if it's gonna produce many relevant images, but still. Okay. Definitions. Do we have any pros and cons here? Overview. Surfer SEO. So they have the Surfer SEO overview, which is not very relevant, but still. I guess this was inside of this review here. Did it talk about the Surfer SEO, Surfer AI? Not to my knowledge. And I know for sure that in my video I did not talk about Surfer SEO. Oh, I don't like this Surfer SEO thingy, so let's just delete that. I know I'm contradicting myself, but still. So getting started, generating an article, advantages and limitations of target audience of Surfer AI, examples of... I'm not sure, to be quite honest with you, I'm not sure I'm liking this outline. This is not a review type of outline, but let's just go with it. Start generating. And now Surfer AI has a progress bar, which is very neat. So you know which step of the generation process you are at. So as technology becomes increasingly advanced, we can only expect more and more innovative solutions. And Surfer AI Writer is no exception. This unique platform has taken the world of content by storm, promising to revolutionize the way we generate high-quality written material. Okay. Well, this is an okay picture. It has logos of Jasper, Write Sonic, Any Words, and this is Copy AI, if I'm not mistaken. Now, the challenges, I don't think this is very relevant, to be quite honest. The challenge of choosing the best AI writer, and this is a lot of text. Okay, overview of Surfer AI Writer and its capabilities. Is a paid add-on. This is true. And I like how... I got excited. I thought for a second that was a video in that. No, it's not. It's just an image. Purpose of this review. This is not good. Definition and purpose of Surfer AI Writer. Well, there is a lot of text to format and choose from, so maybe this is not all irrelevant. But if you wanted to use these two sources and have a review, you would just fail miserably, because this is like a lot of text and not all of this is relevant. So while this is being generated, let me go to ChatGPT. And with ChatGPT, we need GPT-4 and plugins. And out of the plugins, we need the Web Pilot and the Vox script. I want to write a review of Surfer AI Writer. Use Web Pilot to scan, and this is our URL. And Vox script to read, and this is YouTube. And come up with an article outline based on the two. Okay. Okay, so at least it fired up the Web Pilot. Step number 1. Okay, looks like it has read the article. Now the Vox script. So just to make sure the correct plugins are being used, you need to mention them in the prompt. But sometimes it just does without it. So it went crazy with the Vox script for some reason. I don't know why. Chunk 5. Okay, looks like it's finished. Here is a proposed outline. Based on the information gathered from the web page and the YouTube video, here's a proposed outline for your review article on Surfer AI Writer. Introduction. Mention of the sources. Well, this is irrelevant, but... Okay. And this looks like a much better outline. So introduction, I don't like this one here. But what is Surfer AI? Ease of use, features, performance and quality, pricing, pros and cons, and conclusion. So based on the above URLs and the generated outline, use Markdown formatting to write a detailed 2000 word review article. Okay. Surfer AI Writer, a comprehensive review. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI writing tools, Surfer AI Writer has emerged, and this actually still, it referenced the two URLs. Maybe it's not a bad thing, actually. At least you are being honest. What is Surfer AI? It's an advanced AI-powered writing tool One of the first things you'll notice about Surfer is the user-friendly interface, which is true. Features, Surfer AI is packed with features. And then it goes on to describe the features outline in fact-checking. And we all know that fact-checking is pretty terrible with Surfer AI. SEO optimization, readability boosting, plagiarism checking. Hopefully these are all H3s. Performance and quality of output. The quality of the content generated by Surfer AI is impressive. Oh, I'm sure I wasn't saying that in my video. The tool produces content with high SEO score. Yes, good readability, low plagiarism, decent AI score. Okay, this is more along the lines of what I said. Pricing, yes, the pricing is correct. Pros and cons, okay. And the conclusion. So it's not a big article by any means. So I'm guessing this is like 600 words maybe. But at least this is like a very good draft. So you can build upon this, and basically what you can do, you can take a section like what you can do is that based on the above information, write a how-to guide for generating an article. And then you can include this in the middle of your review with pictures and with images and videos. So now ChatGPT is thinking this separate article, which is good in our case because we need more words. But this is basically one of the ways that I do my reviews. So I create a draft first, and then if it's a review, I'll ask it to create a how-to guide, and then I basically insert this how-to guide in the middle of the review. And step number 1, access Surfer, start a new project, input your keywords, set your preferences, generate the outline, review and edit. And yeah, basically what is left to do is to take pictures and insert them strategically after some of the steps, and then you have your review. Save and export. Okay. So far I'm quite satisfied with what ChatGPT wrote. Yes, it needs some formatting, and you need to basically create a single article out of these two outputs. And let's get back to Kitab. Target audience, we've done that. Examples of how Surfer AI can help small bloggers. Getting started. Well, we actually managed to fetch a real image of the interface. Nice. Generating. So guys, this is not a review, unfortunately. This is a lot of text. Oh wow. A video even. Okay, so guys, I'm not like, there's gonna be tons of work to make this into something remotely resembling the review, but as a feature I have tested it in a review type of article. But if you just want to write something very non-factual, maybe this will complement your writing. So basically you set your target URL first, a page, an article, then you complement it with a YouTube video, and then you have an article that combines the best of the two. So maybe this is not the best use case, but as a concept, as a working mechanism, I think this is a very good feature. Okay, so you be the judge. I still think that ChatGPT did a much better job. But again, as a feature, this looks very promising. Hope this video is helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.